There may be common fire, a literal fire. Can it be effective to the spiritual angels? Where there is not a thing combustible sa ila. Kanang wala kay masunog ba? Nabay masunog sa mga anghel? Are they made of flesh, carbon? How can a literal fire consume them? It cannot. Maybe humanity, no? Malitsyon gyud da. But when you notice, no, there was a quotation statement that as the lake of fire is poured out, fire from heaven is, falling to earth. Anong dili man mamatay? Naturally, how long would it take for a man to be burned or to die, to live in a burning environment? How long? Can they last a minute? What do you think? Suffocations alone will cause them death, right? Actually, it's more on suffocation ang death. Before ka mabaig, mamatay na ka sa